Hi, this is Varun Dhawan and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Music, I think, is a big highlight because unanimously, it comes. Songs come after every some juncture. They've been picturized nicely. They're like breezy, actually. You enjoy it. हम दोनों बैठे हुए थे, we had a good time. To be honest, actually.
Sajid are outstanding. Yeah. They've put in heart and soul into this movie. They've worked hard. Any time at night when we've told them that please come, ये problem है, वो problem है, they've been there. They've left other work and come. They've really concentrated on this film. Not for commercial. Like I said, this film, there's a lot of emotion in this film. Lot of emotion. And I think the least that could have happened is that this film does well with the public. That's the smallest thing that could happen to this film. The biggest thing is that it makes a place in people's hearts. Like you said, you went and you laughed and you enjoyed it. You're not going to care अगर film hit है, flop है, क्या मैं enjoy किया, बस भूल गया बस. So the least that it could happen that it does well, and the biggest thing is that it makes a place in people's hearts.
You being a part of a film family, I'm sure that box office figures and numbers are important for you. Were you disappointed with the cricket matches, the way it dented to some extent, both Friday as well as Sunday?
We knew that.
Sunday इतना नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन Friday
but we knew that. वो तो पता ही था. I mean, उतना तो दिमाग होना चाहिए. If you
लेकिन अगर इंडिया नहीं होता, इंडिया अगर नहीं होते तो
हाँ, फिर different story होता था. But at the end of the day, see, I am Indian. I'm never going to be like इंडिया नहीं जीते. मैं जितना भी बोलूँ कि इंडिया, चलो इंडिया को नहीं आना चाहिए, 5 मिनट मैच देख रहा बोला, अरे क्या कर रहा है, चलना फील्ड कर, क्या कर रहा है, चल, इंडिया हैज टू विन. इट बिकम्स, आई एम इंडियन, माय डीएनए इज दैट, एंड नथिंग फॉर मी, माय कंट्री कम्स फर्स्ट. फिल्म्स कैन कम अगेन एंड अगेन, बट माय कंट्री कम्स फर्स्ट. द फिल्म हैज, डिस्पाइट हैविंग अ सेमीफाइनल एंड अ फाइनल, done 20 CR plus in the first weekend, and that is commendable. For see the comparison, where would you compare this film, Farid? You tell me, you have more experience about these things. You would compare a film like MTX with
I'm finding it funny that Sunny Leone beat
what
is the logic in that?
I don't understand that at all. I really don't understand that at how.
I don't understand.
Why am I being compared to Sunny Leone in the first place?
You yourself did that in our interview.
Yeah, but maybe because I tore my clothes.
becoming the new Sunny Leone.
Yeah, because I tore my clothes. That's
so much. Headline that we had actually.
And, I think that Nargis and me were there and we read that together, and she's like, maybe you should have taken out more clothes if you really wanted to come. No, but I think Sunny is great, and that's a full woman-oriented film, Ragini.
As a person, I think she's very good. As a person,
she's carried that film on her own. Yeah. All said and done, people are going and watching the film. There's a reason. No?
Right.
They're getting entertained. So not to take away from that, but what was the biggest part of मैं तेरा hero is what it's going to do on a Monday.
And Monday
को sustain होती है नहीं होती है. That's the biggest thing.
Which is the true yardstick for any film. Weekend तो निकाल सकते हो आप.
Weekend तो सब निकाल सकते हो. So I think कि ये जो Monday पकड़ा है, जो Monday हुआ है, that is my that I can breathe.
Redemption.
My thing is that the Monday को people have seen, and more people have seen it on a Monday. I've had so many of my close people who couldn't see it on the weekend, like people from other fields. They've called me up on Mondays and told me that the film is.
Milap Zaveri's dialogues.
Yeah.
I interviewed Arjun Kapoor yesterday, and he said that Milap Zaveri देखने में sweet innocent Swami type के लगते हैं, लेकिन है बहुत Swami type. I think he very catchy one-liners that he has, I think, and it's consistently sustained as well.
Before Milap's dialogue writer, he's a family friend. He's been Rohit's friend from before he wrote Kante also.
Right.
So the association goes way back. And Milap has seen me since I'm like a little child growing up. So it was really amazing for me and Milap to collaborate on this. Very often Milap's very hardworking. He's come to office. He sat with me over dialogues. We've jammed, we've spoken about lines. He's saying कैसे बोलेगा तू ये, ऐसे करना, वैसे करेंगे. So a lot of things, I think writers are very important to a film. They don't get enough credit. Tushar Hiranandani, who's the screenplay writer, has worked, I think, day in, day out on this film. Trying to see how the outcome of the film is. What screenplay writer है, तो and he's behind the scenes. So every day seeing how Sinu's character can, be molded more. क्या सीनू कर. So वो पूरा जो क्लाइमैक्स है वो तुषार का है. We were not getting a climax कि कैसे आए वो किसका कैसे आए चैप्टर. And he said ये ऐसा सीनू पे ये बहुत सूट होगा कि सीनू ऐसे आएगा और राजपाल ऐसे आएगा. And the height difference of Arun, Rajpal and me, these three characters just running around and all. So I think he saw that very well, Tushar. So I give a lot of credit to Tushar and Milap because I think in a way, if you had to ask me, they are the backbone of this film. David Dhawan is the heart. I'm probably the body because I envision it, and Rohit Dhawan is the brain.